Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to reset SKIL PWRCORE battery, blinking red light and power fix. So fix 1, remove the and reinsert the battery. Then remove the battery from the charger, then wait 30 to 60 seconds. Reinsert the battery until it clicks into place. Check if the charger changes to the normal charging indicator. Second fix is let the battery reach room temperature. Remove the battery from the charger, then leave it indoor for 30 to 60 minutes. Try charging it again. Third one is clean the battery contact. Remove the battery, then wipe the battery and charger contact with clean dry cloth. If needed, using a cotton swab with a small amount of isopropyl alcohol. Then allow the contact to dry before charging again. Fourth one is check the charger. Plug the charger into the different wall outlet. If possible, charge another SKIL battery. If another battery charged normally, the original battery may be faulty. If neither change, the charger may need service. Thanks for watching.